Hello there! Ako nga pala si Mario, ang nakababatang kapatid ni Kuya Michael. Ito nga po pala aking asawa, si Dana. Ito po aking anak, si Nathan Rafael. Say hi! Say hi to Europe! Hi, kamusta kayo dyan? Ate Eileen, Kuya Michael. We just want to greet Kuya Michael happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy 40th nga pala sa'yo dyan. Sayang, no? Wala kami dyan to celebrate with you guys. We miss you here in the Philippines. Kailan ba tayo ulit magkikita-kita? Gusto mo na makita si Ninang Michael na hingi ka regala. Ayun, kaya Michael, we wish you more success to your work and your life there. Hopefully, we could see each other again. Wow, emotional. Oh, basta mag-enjoy kayo ni Ate Eileen dyan. Regards to you and your family. We love you.
Bye-bye!
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye! Happy birthday, Ninong!
Happy birthday, Ninong! Bye-bye.
Bye!
Yes.